Since 1986, American Eagle coins have been recognized around the world for their inspirational designs and as enduring symbols of strength and freedom. Signed into law by the father of the American Eagle program, President Ronald Reagan, these coins captivated the nation and inspired a new era of precious metal ownership. One of the U.S. Mint's most popular designs, the family of eagles, has now been retired after 35 years, never to be struck again. To honor this iconic image for the first time ever, two former directors of the United States Mint, Philip N. Deal and Edmund C. Moy, have joined forces on a brand new coin design, a first in numismatic history. Minted and designed exclusively for clients of U.S. Money Reserve, the Silver Legacy Eagle coin takes flight from where the original began. In a spirited tribute to the American family, the design shows twin eagles in flight. Having finally left their nest, they soar together towards a brighter future. Behind them, the parental eagle looks on in majestic profile, a symbol of the values and traditions passed on by the previous generation. The Obverse features a shielded eagle, representing the protection of precious metals against the backdrop of a waving American flag. In the center of the design, 3 stars are emblazoned on the eagle's shield: the past, the present, and the future, a nod to the importance of preserving generational wealth. The Silver Legacy Eagle coin is struck from .999 fine silver, making it an approved choice for precious metals IRAs. Authorized official legal tender, each government-issued coin is backed for its silver weight, content, and purity, reinforcing its position as a powerful addition to any retirement portfolio. Enhance your portfolio and build generational wealth with the all-new Silver Legacy Eagle. Developed by U.S. Money Reserve, this exclusive release reimagines an American icon of precious metals ownership and continues its legacy for a new generation.